Hi guys, flashback open. They're doing alright, they got a few in. It's quite cold in Benidorm today. And as you can see, there's still people sat outside. Yeah. So we're getting back into the start of the season now. Yeah, the Flash got quite a few people in. Quite a few inside as well. For them. It's the only hotel I've really got lost in.
No, they got lost.
Yeah, went in there, fancied rest day, used the toilet, found the toilet and couldn't find my way out again.
Well, you were a bit drunk, so...
Not that drunk, Marcus. So we're going to have a look down here now. See if Mariano's are reopened. You should imagine they have. The staff had a little bit of a holiday. And had a good clean up.
This
And a bit of painting.
away fab.
Yeah. I do it every year, guys, so.
Yes,
Best time to do it just after Christmas. Yeah, it's about 12 degrees today. Still people out in shorts and t-shirts. It's all Pelicanos there. Still don't know what's going on with that place. Where the sign's gone missing out the front. I don't know if it broke or blown over in the wind or what happened. Or are they changing hands?
Hey, mate. Tell me that.
Yeah, I was saying, I haven't heard anything that's going on with it, but the sign's definitely gone missing. The Sol Pelicanos. You never know these days, huh? To the back of the casino there. Then on Avenida Mediterraneo, the next one down. Coming up now, we've got the Silver Dollar and the Piccadilly that's back open. It's been back open for a while now.
Oh, I'm not sure if Mariano's is open again or not.
We're going to have a look, see what's going on up there. Of course you can get up to the back of the indoor market here. Show you in a minute. It's by the Silver Dollar there. And just up the steps. Over there, I'll take you back into the indoor market. So we're just going to have to get a bit past here a bit quick, there's a bit of music going on. Got a fair few in though, not too many about. Yeah, these bars will always do well though. There's Piccadilly there. Refurbished, they've redone the roof. Not much change inside, I don't think. Seems to be much the same. The Mariano's, best place for chicken of course, any time of the day or night. Yeah, they're back to normal. So yeah, things are starting to get back to normal in Benidorm. Just wish the weather would warm up a bit. I think we had it so good at the end of last year. At the beginning of this year, it's really cold for us now.
Probably that we get for having Christmas Day with 27 degrees.
Yeah. Again, it's a bit sunny this morning, so we didn't bring coats out. Our own fault, really. There's another way into the indoor market, and there's another way further up there. Plenty of shops back in there now, stores. We call them stores or shops.
Double sign hatching.
Hotel, what's that one called?
Nero.
Nero, yeah. I think what it's called then. Thanks, Marcus.
You're welcome.
That's a good hotel, apparently. With a lot of people say they've enjoyed stopping there. There are more hotels up that way, and there's some apartments as well where we used to live up that way. There's a few people about in Benidorm. A lot of cyclists about again. Always seems to be a lot of cyclists. I don't know whether they've just come back the last couple of years or what's going on with it, but yeah. There we go, guys. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the one that's coming up in the card if you want to see more from Benidorm. Okay, guys, we'll see you over there in just a minute. Bye.